What if? Some people shudder when they hear the word mathematics. But what if they could see math the way that Pythagoras or Isaac Newton or Mariam Mirzakhani saw it, as a thing of beauty as well as the language of science? Others see art as just an option that might enhance their lives, but what if they could see its relevance as well as its beauty? Mathematics and art have much more in common than you may be aware. They go hand in hand. People have different ways of learning and communicating. Art can help them to understand math, and for its part, math can be an inspiration for art. Mathematics in Motion was founded in 2017 to bring the beauty of math to the world with shows and performances including music, dance, visual arts, theater, circus, puzzles and games, and more in public spaces around Atlanta. Let's hear now from some people who have been involved.
I first got involved fall of 2018.
In the fall of 2018, I was a senior at Georgia Tech studying physics.
Performing magic at some of the Mathapalooza events.
Unicycling down, and I came across this tent that Evan had set up where he was displaying a number of sort of funky mathematical shapes.
The Seven Bridges of Königsberg. So it was this idea of having a dance performance that goes over the seven bridges, and they wanted people to create mathematics demonstrations to go along with this.
This was a modern dance performance inspired by Euler's graph theory problem, the traversing the seven bridges in Königsberg, and trying to find a way to cross all of them exactly once. This was being done because outside of the physics building at Georgia Tech, there was a new courtyard with the seven bridges modeled out there. A lot of people have this divide between like, this is art stuff and this is science stuff. And I think that art is a really great gateway to show the more abstract concepts of math in a way that's really fun. And then afterwards, people end up, they're having fun, so they end up taking in the math lessons, and all of a sudden you had a fun art experience and you know a little bit more about graph theory.
There are these concepts which are, beautifully simple or very elegant, maybe not simple, but at least elegant, and sometimes there are people who don't have a technical background might shy away from them.
The STEM field is growing, and we need people to have a great knowledge about mathematics. Getting them excited about it at an early age can get them more involved. And it's kind of nice if they see that math shouldn't be something they're scared of, but rather something that they should be puzzled about, that they can explore.
But a lot of people maybe don't realize that they like math, and they have to be tricked into learning math concepts, right? So or maybe it just needs to be made accessible in a different way.
I think there's something that people like about art too, is right, it inspires you to create things. Mm-hmm. And a lot of the times in early math classes, you're just trying to solve a problem that someone else has already solved. So being able to engage that creative part of your brain and think like, oh, math is this creative problem solving thing, just like, art is this creative expression thing, gets people thinking about math in a really fun and positive way.